Hello, this is Chadwick again, and I am uh, doing a YouTube video this morning to report on the court appointment hearing, or I'm not sure exactly what they're doing, uh, with Craig Wright concerning some Bitcoin addresses that are hold a lot of currency in them and haven't been withdrawn from. So let's look what we found on Google. When we Googled Craig Wright, Miami-Dade Court, January 4th, 2021. That's under Judge Bloom. So I already pulled some of them up. Yahoo.com has a report on it. CoinDesk has a report on it. Let's see. Decrypt.co has a report on it by Liam Frost. I think this is CoinDesk covers quite a bit. There it is. Daniel Palmer. He's the writer reporting on there. Let's look at riveromestry.com. That one has it. I have slow internet because I'm out in the country. Law360.com has an article on it. Let's see. Yahoo. So the gist of the situation is that the trial of Chief Scientist Craig Wright over his alleged billions in Bitcoin has been moved to January 4th, 2021, which is today on the East Coast, and it is 8:17 a.m. and that is the East Coast time. So you can read this. I'll include a link in the description. I just wanted to know if anyone else is going to report on this or if there'd be some information available. So let me know. Go ahead and contact me. My email address, chadwickaustin@rocketmail.com. It's chadwickaustin@rocketmail.com. If you have any information on the proceedings today. Thank you. Have a good day and happy hodling.